In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for MYOB in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and nail down this process quickly and efficiently so you can get started with managing your business finances seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official MYOB website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. It's well designed to guide you with all the financial tools you might need. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options tailored to suit different business needs. Now, it's time to choose a plan that works best for you, whether it's a paid option or a free trial. You might want to take a closer look at what each plan offers to ensure you're picking the right one for your business model. If you're just exploring, the free trial could be a great way to test the waters without any commitments. On the other hand, if you're ready to dive into MYOB's full set of features, a paid plan might be the most beneficial. Once you've decided on the plan that best suits your needs, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Get ready to type in your email address, followed by your full name, phone number, and the name of your business. These details are crucial as they help personalize your experience and ensure that all corresponding communications are directed correctly to you. Next, it's time to set up a password. Choose something secure yet memorable. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good strategy. MYOB will then ask for your payment information. Even if you're starting with a free trial, entering your card details is typically a part of the setup process. Rest assured, this is a common practice and offers a seamless transition to a paid plan, should you choose to continue after your trial period. After completing your payment details, you're officially all set and ready to get started with MYOB. The platform should now open up for you, welcoming you to explore its dashboard, where you can begin setting up accounts, entering transactions, and ultimately gaining better control and insight into your business's financial health. That's all there is to it. Quick and straightforward registration that takes full advantage of MYOB's capabilities. Whether you're managing invoices, tracking expenses, or staying on top of cash flow, you're now equipped to harness the power of MYOB for your business success. Thanks for joining today's walkthrough, and I hope you find your experience with MYOB both productive and rewarding.